Welcome to week 4 of ISIS 105, everyone. This week you'll be doing the word research paper on the Shoah archive that Ferris State University does, as well as doing a cover letter and resume. So this video is going to explain the cover letter for you guys. So of course you're going to want to download all of these, especially the instructions and the templates for all of these. So I have them up already, and I'm going to open up the template. So in order for this template to work the way we want it to, right here, student name, it's going to be your name. Your address line 1 is going to be your address line. And then your city, state, and zip code. Along with the date. So whatever date you are completing this on, we'll just put this date in here for now. And so what you want to do on this one is it's basically going to include a cover letter to 5 companies that you are sending your resume to. The instructions include, in the first paragraph, explain how you heard about this company, what position you're applying for, and why you're applying for it. So we'll delete where it says paragraph 1 right here, and we'll begin typing. Most people notice stuff at career fairs or online job postings about where specific people are located, what job they're looking for, so on and so forth. So I'm actually going to pause this and type it out, and I encourage you to think about the 3 or 4 sentences of how you heard about these people, why are you applying for this job, and so forth. So I will pause this real quick and let you guys do your thinking as well as I can do my thinking. So I have done my few sentences right here. It's short but to the point. Next, we'll move on to the second paragraph, and in the second paragraph, it's used to explain your skills using examples such as what you've done, why you've done it, and examples that showcase problem solving or leadership abilities or some sort of skill that you have that makes you stand out from people. So I'm going to let you think on that, and I'm going to pause the video and begin thinking and typing as well, and I'll resume the video when I have done my second paragraph, and I hope you guys can get it done just as well. Alright, so I have completed the second paragraph right here, and this showcases leadership skills right here and running 3 lines by myself, or my Eagle project, or figuring out stuff. This is more problem solving and figuring out how to complete and show the abilities rather than saying it. It is showing it. Now moving on to the third paragraph. This is when you're going to thank whoever's reading your paper, or not your paper, your letter. Thank them for their time. They are very busy, as well as giving your contact information so they can come contact you, and including a follow-up time to make sure that they have received your letter. So I'm going to do this. I'll type this one out. Now, it's not an idea of overthinking it or over-exaggerating it. To the point is what needs to be done. So I'm going to pause this as I write it out, and I hope you guys do the same. And when you write out, thank you for your time. Here is my email. Here is my phone number. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns or comments. I will follow up in however many days or weeks to see if you have received this letter. So go for it. Alright, so here is the email and phone number that I put in here, and the last sentence here is, I will contact you within 2 weeks to see if you have received my resume. Thank you again. Right, so sincerely, right here, you see this name down here, and you'll just type your name right here. And in a normal instance, you would print this out and sign it, and then with your name underneath it, just for that. So after this, what you're going to go to is go to mailings, select recipients, and type a new list. So in this, you're going to type title, so what their position is. If they are manager, you type manager right here. First name, last name, where they work for, the address of where they work for, address line 1, the city they work in, state, zip code, and this is all you need for that email address. You need to have at least 5 people here. So whichever ones they are, and I'm just going to type different ones in here. And I'm just going to do 2 now to show you how it should go through. So then once you're done with your list, you hit OK. And now you have an MDB file. So the file name is mail merge database. It's going to save it to your computer. Now what you're going to do, and where it says receiving person's name, insert merge field, and go title. Insert merge field, first name, space, insert merge field, last name, company name, so insert merge field, company name, and then your address line, again, insert merge field, address line 1, and then you'll have, delete that, and go insert merge field, city, comma, insert merge field, state, space, insert merge field, zip code. And again right here, dear, you're going to have dear, and then title, space, first name, last name. Now on your edit recipients list, you can go here and you can click edit on these. You click that down here, data source edit. The title will actually be Mr. or Mrs., whoever you are sending it to. So Mr. And in your customized column, you will add a column that says position. Hit OK. So the position will be here. And now you can type in their position, and that would be manager or professor or whoever you're sending it to, HR, head of HR, so on and so forth. It'll update, hit OK. So title, first name, last name, and then you will insert the position that they have. To do this, you can look at preview results, and it's going to have everything in here for what you're going to do. Obviously, this made a mistake right here because this will be different. But yours, you obviously shouldn't make mistakes on this. If so, you can always easily fix them. So that's 1, 2, and you can see each of these for each person, and it will automatically change. When you're done, you can hit finish and merge, and you'll just click. You'll unclick preview results and hit finish and merge. Edit individual documents, merge records. It's going to say all. Click all, and it will go through both of them. Now once you're done with this, all your mail merge database, all your mail merges should be right here. So 1, 2, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 merge fields all in here. So then you can go File, Save As, and save it to your desktop. So browse and go to your desktop. and save it as Word cover letter, your first name and your last name. And that will save right there. Then you can upload that. But before you do go, in case your mail merge won't open, you can go to your mailings, select recipients, or edit recipients, whichever one you need to do. If it doesn't show up like this, so all of your 5 people that you're sending it to doesn't show up on here, so it's not 5 pages long or however long it's going to be, you need to take a screenshot of your database and insert it at the bottom of this paper. That way you can receive full credit for having your mail merge database. Have a great day, everyone.